Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'll be making Mongolian chicken. It's a simple recipe yet very delicious, and you can make this in under 30 minutes. Now let's get started. Here I've got 350 grams of boneless chicken thigh. I'm using it with the skin and I'm going to deep fry this later, and the skin will make this very crispy. To the chicken I'm adding half a teaspoon of white pepper powder, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, quarter cup of water, 3 tablespoons of corn flour, mix well, cover and set it aside for 15 to 20 minutes for it to marinate. It's been marinating for 20 minutes. If there is any excess liquid, just take it out. Add 2 tablespoons of corn flour and mix it thoroughly. To fry the chicken, heat up the oil over a medium heat and add the marinated chicken. Do not turn the chicken immediately, wait for the crust to form. After 3 to 4 minutes, now we can turn the chicken to the other side and cook well, or until they turn light golden brown. This will take another 4 minutes. Chicken is done, nice and golden. Now I'm going to take it out and I'm going to double fry it again. Now keep the flame on high and add the fried chicken and fry it for 20 to 30 seconds. If you don't want to double fry it, just skip this one. As you can see, the chicken is nice and crisp, and I'm going to take it out from the oil. Now for the sauce, remove the excess oil and leave 2 tablespoons of oil in the pan. I'm adding a tablespoon of chopped garlic and 1 inch of ginger finely sliced. Saute it for a while. Now I'm adding spring onion white and keep tossing it for a while. To this I am adding half cup of water. Let it come to a boil. Now add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, half a teaspoon of chili flakes, you could also use chili powder, 1 teaspoon of sugar. Mix well and let it simmer for a minute. In this stage I need some salt, so I am adding 1/4 teaspoon. Add if needed. To get a thick consistency, I have mixed a teaspoon of corn flour with 2 tablespoons of water. Add little by little and give a mix. Now the sauce has become thick. Now let's add the fried chicken. I'm adding a teaspoon of vinegar and a tablespoon of sesame oil. Now give it a quick stir. Let the sauce coat well on the chicken. Finally, garnish with some spring onions. Serve hot with some nice hot rice, or you can pair it with some fried rice or ghee rice. Quick and easy Mongolian chicken. Do give it a try and share this video with your family and friends. And I hope you like this video. If you do, consider subscribing, like, share and comment. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.